Hello and welcome back to a new video, and in this video I'll show you how to fix ghost touch on iPhone. For that, make sure your screen is clean or remove any for that, start by cleaning your screen and remove the case. Or screen protector, and then if that didn't help you out, just restart your mobile phone and check if you have any updates remaining, and if so, and after restarting, check for any updates. Go to your settings and then to general and head to software update and check if there is any, and if so, update that. And then what you can do is again go back to settings and head to general and go to settings and go to accessibility, and there you can find touch on physical and motor. Tap there and tap on touch accommodations, turn that, toggle it on, and also enable ignore request and tap on OK. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.